Are you tired of the rat race? Ever dream of escaping to a new life in a new country? What if I told you some countries will actually you to move there? We're diving into 10 countries desperate to attract new residents, offering cash bonuses, tax breaks, even free land. Stick around. First up, we're heading to Italy. To combat depopulation, Italy has several towns offering cash incentives to newcomers. We're talking places like Calabria, Sardinia and Abruzzo, regions known for their stunning natural beauty and rich history. Some towns are offering up to €30,000 to move in. That's enough to cover your moving expenses and set up your new life. Italy offers a quality of life that's hard to beat, with strong family values, vibrant culture and a slower pace of life. Plus, the cost of living in some of these rural areas is surprisingly affordable. Next, we're jetting off to sunny Spain, a country famous for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. Regions like Asturias, Galicia and Cantabria are offering cash bonuses and other perks to attract new residents. With a relaxed pace of life, a strong emphasis on family and community and plenty of sunshine, Spain is a great choice for a balanced lifestyle. Ever dreamed of living on a Greek island, surrounded by crystal-clear waters and ancient ruins? Well, that dream could become a reality. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore, exploring historical sites that date back thousands of years, and immersing yourself in a culture rich with history and tradition. Greece is offering financial incentives to attract new residents to some of its stunning islands like Crete, Antikythera and Mykonos. These islands are not just beautiful, but they also offer a unique lifestyle that combines modern amenities with traditional charm. Some islands are offering up to €2,000 per month for new residents, along with other benefits like tax breaks and subsidized housing. This financial support can make your transition smoother and more affordable. If you're looking for a fresh start in a breathtaking setting, Greece could be the perfect place to call home. With its welcoming culture, delicious food and affordable cost of living, you can enjoy a high quality of life without breaking the bank. You'll be living your own Mamma Mia fantasy in no time. So why not take the leap and start a new adventure in Greece?
Calling all digital nomads, entrepreneurs, and anyone seeking a more tax-friendly lifestyle, Portugal has become a hotspot in recent years.
Through its non-habitual resident (NHR) program, Portugal offers qualifying individuals a flat income tax rate of 20% for 10 years, along with tax exemptions on foreign income. Imagine working remotely from a beachside cafe, exploring historic castles, and indulging in delicious Portuguese cuisine without breaking the bank. With its affordable cost of living, excellent healthcare system, and welcoming culture, Portugal offers a high quality of life.
If rolling green hills, charming villages, and a strong sense of community appeal to you, then Ireland might just be the perfect place to put down roots. The lush landscapes and friendly locals create an inviting atmosphere that feels like a warm embrace.
The Irish government is offering financial incentives to attract new residents to picturesque villages and towns amidst stunning landscapes. These incentives are designed to breathe new life into rural areas, ensuring that the beauty and culture of Ireland are preserved for future generations. Imagine spending your days exploring ancient castles, hiking through lush green valleys and cozying up by a fireplace in a traditional Irish pub. The rich history and vibrant culture provide endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation.
The Irish government is offering grants of up to €84,000 to renovate derelict properties in rural areas. This initiative not only helps preserve Ireland's architectural heritage, but also provides a unique opportunity for new residents to create their dream. Ireland also offers a high quality of life, with excellent education and healthcare systems, a strong economy, and a welcoming culture. The sense of community and the friendly nature of the people make it an ideal place to raise a family and build lasting memories.
Known for its stunning natural beauty, high quality of life, and delicious chocolate and cheese, Switzerland might seem like an unattainable dream. Due to declining populations, certain villages are offering cash incentives to attract new residents hoping to revitalize their communities. Some villages are offering up to 250,000 Swiss francs to move in. That's over $275,000. If you're looking for unparalleled quality of life, stunning natural beauty and a chance to experience a unique culture, Switzerland could be your dream come true. Next, we're heading to the land of the rising sun, a country where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology.
Japan is implementing various programs to attract new residents, particularly to its rural areas.
These programs include cash bonuses, subsidized housing, and support for starting businesses.
You could learn Japanese calligraphy, attend a traditional tea ceremony, or explore ancient castles, all while enjoying a safe and efficient lifestyle.
Japan offers a high quality of life, with a rich culture, delicious cuisine, and a strong emphasis on community and respect. Looking for a country with stunning natural beauty, a welcoming culture, and plenty of opportunities? Look no further than Canada.
From coast to coast, Canada offers a variety of programs and incentives to attract new residents. Canada boasts a high quality of life, with excellent healthcare and education systems, a strong economy, and a multicultural society that embraces diversity.
Known for its breathtaking landscapes, adventure activities, and laid-back lifestyle, New Zealand has long been a popular destination for travellers.
New Zealand is facing a skill shortage in certain industries and is offering various visa options and financial incentives to attract skilled workers.
Imagine living amidst snow-capped mountains, turquoise lakes, and rolling green hills where you can spend your weekends hiking, kayaking, or skiing. New Zealand offers a unique lifestyle with a strong emphasis on work-life balance, outdoor adventure, and community. Our final stop takes us to South America, to the stunning country of Chile.
Through its Startup Chile program, the Chilean government provides equity-free grants, work visas, and other support to entrepreneurs and innovators.
This program has made Chile a hub for startups and tech companies, attracting talent from around the world. Chile boasts a high quality of life with a stable economy, a growing arts and culture scene, and a delicious culinary tradition. Imagine exploring the Atacama Desert, hiking in Patagonia, or sipping Chilean wine in the shadow of the Andes. So, there you have it. 10 incredible countries that are willing to pay you to move there and start a new chapter of your life. From the rolling hills of Italy, where vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, to the stunning beaches of Spain, where the sun kisses the golden sands, from the ancient temples of Japan, steeped in history and tradition, to the rugged mountains of Chile, offering breathtaking views and thrilling adventures. There's a world of opportunities waiting to be explored, each destination offering its own unique charm and experiences. Remember, relocating is a big decision, so it's important to do your research thoroughly and carefully. Consider all the factors involved, from cost of living to cultural differences. With a little planning, a sense of adventure, and an open mind, your new life could be just around the corner, filled with exciting possibilities and new experiences. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Your next adventure awaits.